Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm here to answer to one of the biggest questions that you have at the beginning. When you just start, you always think, how can I grow fast? What's the fastest way to do it? And there are many ways, but one of the most basic and most important and crucial is the timing of your posting. What time are you going to post your videos? Now, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so you're not going to lose any of my new videos. The first thing that you need to consider is the YouTube algorithm. Now you're thinking, what is this algorithm? Basically, YouTube is not a person, it's many people, and obviously it's also an automatic system. So this automatic system was the algorithm that decide where to push your videos or not. Now, when you're posting your videos, the first 2 hours are very important because it's when the algorithm decide where is want to suggest you more. You're gonna see this also in your analytics, like suggested videos, view by click on your channel, click on the playlist. So basically, when YouTube suggests your video, it puts you further higher on top on searches. It's gonna suggest you after certain videos. So the first 2 hours are crucial because that's gonna tell to YouTube algorithm where you are or not, if you need to be pushed up or just stay down. And also, other timing very important is also the first 20 hours. So 24 hours, basically the first day, but the most crucial is the 2 hours. So what happened? If the first 2 hours, if you get a lot of comments, a lot of likes, the YouTube algorithm push you up. So you are more visible, so you get more views straight away. That means that more people keep commenting, keep liking, and it's an escalation that go up, up, and up. But how to optimize this? Now, the best way to optimize this is posting at the right time and at the right day. So there is a system on your analytics that is going to show you when is better for you to post. But especially to decide when to post, you need to know where the people that are watching you are from. Because for example, I'm from UK and I noticed that my viewers are not from UK. So what I would say, I was thinking probably I should post in the morning, but in the morning here, I don't have as many views from UK. I have a lot of viewers from United States. So what I need to do to get viewed in the United States, you need to calculate how many hours, and in this way you can find out what's the best time to post your videos. So you need to understand that at 10 AM, 11 o'clock is the good time to start for USA, for example. That's what actually my YouTube analytics says. Now, let me show you how to see that. First of all, let's have a look on how to see which country is watching you the most. Right, we are on the main page. We are going to go to the channel analytics. Once we're in, we are gonna go on the top right advanced mode, and here we're going to select the geography to see where our viewers are from. And as you can see on this channel, we have more views from United States. That means we need to base our posting time to like 10 AM or which time is better from United States. Now, that was the way to see which country was the one that give you most views. And straight after you understand, okay, now I know that this country with this certain time, he's gonna follow me and view my videos more. Okay, now I need to decide what's the best time to post in then. And from at least I think 3 months, there is a great function on your YouTube studio. And let me show you this one as well. And here we are again on our channel analytics, and we're gonna select audience, and as you can see, as I described before, we have this new function from YouTube that is great. It's telling us exactly what time most of our subscribers are on the platform. So that's the best tool you can use to base your posting time. See, this is another way to see what's the best time, but there is a third one, and with all of this data you can really get more accurate on your posting time. Now let me show you the third one. And here we're back on our channel analytics. You can just check on the right column and you will see
This is our major views timings on the past 48 hours, and as you can see here, major of my views start from 10 and go around 6 o'clock, and this pattern repeats not only for this day but also for the day after. Basically it starts at 10 o'clock and until 6 o'clock you have the major views, then you have another peak later on.
Now, there is also another way to maximize your views, and it's the easiest way ever. Just ask. Basically, on your comments, you can write on your channel comments, you can just write a public comment where everybody's gonna read, and you can just ask, hey guys, what time are you usually on? Where are you from? So you can kind of more or less know where your major subscribers are from. And usually, actually, your subscribers, if it comes mainly from one country, usually gonna tend to be all the comments and people following you and views more from that country. So you just focus on that country. I say country so many times, guys. Now, obviously, you have a certain amount of data. For example, this channel that I just started is very young. So I also have another channel that you might know is Davide vs Agate. I have many more subscribers and I have much more data. Yes, data is important. I say data, I mean data. Sorry, my accent is weird. But what I meant is, more data you have, more views, more hours, more life you have on your channel, and more you have data and information, so you can know and understand better what's the right time for your videos to be posted. So also with the growth of your channel, your timing of posting, it might change. It might not gonna be always the same, because obviously maybe you start to have more views from another country rather than the one you started at the beginning. Also depending on which content you're posting. If you just start to change a little bit your content, for example, you might stop having views from that side of the world and you start to have from another side of the world. For example, if you have views from USA and you start to have more views from India, for example, that's changed completely the timing of your posting. You need to completely change it. And trust me, if you post at the right time, it can really push your first video and the first views like 50-60% more than posting on the wrong time. Posting on the wrong time can be so bad for your videos because you just put so much effort on your video, all your job, and you post on the wrong time. And the algorithm doesn't classify it as a high rated video. The algorithm just think, oh, okay, this video is not liked for so many people. So it just puts you down. So try to push at the right time and push your video up as much as possible, because that's gonna make all your work worth it, and you're gonna see how satisfying it is when you just post and you start to see straight away the first views, the first people clicking on likes, commenting, subscribing to your channel, and it's so good. Honestly, such a great feeling. If you have any question, just write in the comment below. If you haven't done it yet, remember to subscribe to my channel, so we're gonna grow together. And don't forget to like this video. And I will see you in the next week. See you next time. Bye.